If you've been waiting for the Kauai market to slow down, well, it already did. Well, let's see what the numbers say. Aloha, I'm Ronnie Margolis with the agency Margolis team here on beautiful Kauai. And we're going to take a look at what happened in March and what we see going forward in the springtime. So let's get into it when we do the numbers. Okay, so it's the end of the first week of April, and hopefully it's getting warmer throughout the country. Of course, it's always nice and warm here, although it's rainy today. And let's take a look at what happened in March. The market continues to be fairly slow, relatively speaking, historically speaking. So compared to March of last year, sales are down 37%. We had 49 sales in March, a little bit more than February, but 78 March a year ago. For the quarter, sales are down 30%. So January, February, March, they were all slow months, really. Yet the prices continue to stay stable or even go up. Take a look at our median price, $1.55 million. That's for residential properties. That's up. There's fewer sales, but more motivated buyers and a higher percentage of buyers at the higher price points, partially because there's still a limited amount of affordable inventory. And while last month rates went down to 5.99% for one day with the recent global activities and a month or more of war, rates have gone up and rates are not as good as they were. So for condos, 118 days on market, the median price fell to $700,000, and year to year sales are down island-wide for condos. The condo inventory, I sound like a broken record, right? The condo inventory continues to stack up. Buyers have leverage. You heard me say that before, and that continues to be true. Land sales in March nearly frozen, a whopping 4 parcels of land transacted in March. That's half as many as a year ago, and of course, with all the challenges to building plus the cost of land, there's not a lot of land being sold. Again, buyers have leverage. So inventory continues to build. 473 active listings if you count the properties that are contingent as well. So that's the number of properties that are currently on the market. It's pushing close to 700 and 7.7 months of inventory. Historically, right? Anything more than 6 months is a buyer's market. But the luxury market in Hanalei Bay, Princeville, further North Shore is up. The volume is up. The number of sales are up. Still very active on the North Shore, and that's pretty much the overview to the market. We continue to see more inventory come on the market, and when it's priced right, you gotta be prepared to move. If you're buying, if you're getting a mortgage, you must be pre-approved, because when something is priced right, you've got to put your best foot forward, work quickly, and be approved for the dollar value. Not pre-qualified, like all your paperwork filled out, solid. That's the best way to put your best foot forward. If you'd like to get some more granular information, click below to download the stats from our MLS. It's going to show you the number of sales in March, the dollar volume of those number of sales, and median price divided by the 5 zones on the island. You can also get a visual version of similar statistics, if that's how you prefer looking at information, courtesy of Old Republic Title and Escrow, our preferred partner here on the Garden Island. Call, text, or DM me, and we'll spend 10 minutes, no pressure, no hassle, just solid, real information. Until next month, have a great April. Aloha from the beautiful Garden Island, Ohuio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing property tours and real estate insights from Kauai.